Hello everyone, welcome to the replay. Thank you guys for joining me today. I'm Andy Ross with Chalk Couture. I'm an independent designer and my company name is actually Gwen's Foxy Nest, where I help make your nest look the foxiest. So today we're actually going to take the November transfer, which we've used before, and made like a 9 by 12 out of it. So I want to show you how you take some of the bigger transfers and actually use them on a smaller surface. This will be a 5 by 7 chalkboard that I bought at Dollar Tree for $1. So just remember that all our transfers can be used on any surface. So really all you need to purchase is a transfer and chalk paste and a mini squeegee, and you are set to go. Okay, so your surfaces can be anything at home. You can Chalk Couture on anything: glass, metal, canvas, t-shirts. Obviously, when you're using paste on the fabric stuff, it can wash out. So you'd want to use your inks on the fabric stuff. Hi Teresa. Hey Tara. So let's get started, and I'll just kind of walk you through. There's three easy steps, okay? The first step is to fuzz it, and I'm going to move the camera down so you can actually see what I'm doing. But our transfers are silkscreen transfers, and they are sticky. That's how you get like the clean and crisp designs. Let me get this over here. And you can tell it's sticky, and then you can see the design actually has like a screen in it. So they're a little bit different than stencils. They just allow you to really work with your project a lot easier, and you get a cleaner design. Usually when I work with stencils, I have to kind of sand off where I messed up and I have to make it look distressed to make the project look right. Not with the Chalk Couture transfers. They come out nice and clean. So let me pull you down to the project area, and yes, I think you can see. First step is to fuzz it, and basically since our transfers are so sticky, it's just a good idea to get some fuzz on the back of it so that your transfer will actually come up easier. If it's too sticky and you put it on a surface, you run the risk of actually stretching your transfer, and then you won't be able to reuse it. So all of our transfers are reusable 8 to 12 times, and you can reposition them as you like. This one, I'm going to be cutting off the F on the bottom here, but I think it's still going to make a really cute design. I'm going to see if I can actually pull it up just a little bit, because I want to try to get as much of this design on as possible. And they're stretchy, so you know, or they're bendable, so that you can actually see where your project's going to go. Okay. Hello, girls. Thanks for joining. Okay, so now the second step is we're going to paste it, and I'm actually just going to use a white on here. And this is our Chalkology paste, and this is what makes your product fun and easy. All of our projects are very forgiving. So if you mess up, basically you take a Lysol wipe or a wet paper towel and just wipe it off and start over, or you just take off the stuff you don't like. So I'm just going to put some water in there just to kind of help get this to the consistency I want. The white is a little bit thicker than our other colors, but you're kind of going for a yogurt-like consistency. Hey, and let me know if you guys have questions. Hey, Mary Beth. And I'll get them answered. But oh, I did want to tell everybody that Christy's party has changed to a Facebook Live party, so that means you guys actually get to stay home in your PJs and watch it on Facebook, and it'll be really fast-paced, about 30 minutes. So, and then you'll get to shop some sample products and, of course, on my website. So it looks like I have, okay, I think we're good. So I'm just going to take the paste, drop it around, and you don't have to be very perfect on this thing, Chalk Couture takes care of all of it for you. And if you're part of our, this one, it was our November monthly club. If you're part of the monthly club, that means you get an exclusive design. So now that November is gone, you can't get this anymore. But the December one should be mailed out. So everyone should be getting, if you're part of the club member, you'll be getting your design soon. So again, I'm just going to put it on just the areas that are the design and just spread it over. And basically what the squeegee is doing is taking off the excess. Okay. And I can get just a little bit more. Okay. And you can make this fun. You can make it different colors. It doesn't have to all be one color. It's just real quick, kind of just show you how to use the product on different sizes. Okay. And you can tell, like, really it doesn't take a whole lot of paste. So these are 3-ounce containers and they'll last you quite a few projects. We also have single paste that usually lasts like 1 or 2 projects depending on how big your project is. And that's kind of an economical way to get started with Chalk Couture. Let me get the rest of this off. And then I'm going to make this part of my tiered tray that I made the other day. So how many of you guys actually have tiered trays? There we go. So I see that it didn't come out quite as crisp as I would want it. So I'm just going to take my Lysol wipes, get it wet, and clean up that little area. So you can see that it's really simple and it's something that you can do with your kids. And let me bring this back up just to kind of show you the difference. I think I got some water on my screen. So, oh, what fun. So I took that large project. I probably could put some more right there. But anyway, you would never know the difference if you didn't know the design. So I've taken a 5x7 and used the same design as I did on this 9x12. Really cute, really simple. This would be good as just punching 2 holes in it and putting some twine on it and making it an oversized ornament. That's a big trend right now for the holidays. But we can also, can you see I'll take a picture of it, but my tiered tray, I'll just put that right there and it becomes my tiered tray sign. So in less than 5 minutes, right, I made a really cute design for my tiered tray. Okay, you guys have any questions? Let me show you how to wash it. So 3 easy steps. We fuzzed it, we pasted it, and now we're gonna wash it. And I've just put it, I'm going to bring you back down and just show you. I just threw it in a bucket of water, a pan of water, and I'm going to get it washed up for us. So that way I can use it again. And ladies, they say 8 to 12 times, but as long as you take care of them and you wash them real good and you put them back on the backer, you really could get about, you could get more. I'm not going to tell you how many more, but people use their transfers a lot more than 8 to 12 times. Take that out. And when you put it back on the backer that it comes with, it's just the white part that I'm talking about that comes on this. You want to just put it on the shiny side. And just remember, everyone in our group shines. So if you're interested in becoming a Club Couture member, that's where you would get a monthly subscription, a happy mail each month. You can just type in club. If you want to just shop for the products, you can type in shop, and I'll just put some links there, give you the direct links there. And if you actually want to become a designer, just type in join. That's where you can actually get our business kit for $99 and become a Club Couture designer. And we just changed out, let me get this off the back of it. Sometimes you get fuzz on the back of it, and you just take your, and just wet it down. And if you're ever working on, sorry, I got distracted there. Tara, I see your question. If you're ever working on with a transfer and it sticks to itself, just throw it in water, and the water deactivates the stickiness. Peel it apart. I mean, it will come apart, and then you can just put it, face the stickiness up, facing up to dry. Let's see, Tara, you have a question. You can, so Tara wants to know, do you wash it in between each project, or could you use it several times in a row? You could use it several times in a row, just as long as you, for safety, for a clean design, I would say wash it in between, because if you have paint that gets hard on your silk screen, the other paint might not get through. But I use the smaller ones, and this one, like this one had a little, this one had like this little one, and it was really quick, you know, so the paste never really dried on the screen, and I was able to pick it up and move it around and use it several different times on this design, if you can see it. So I know maybe the green's a little bit hard, but I used it 1, 2, 3 different times without washing it. So if it's the smaller ones, I say you're probably safe just picking up and doing it on the different areas. If it's the larger screens, I would say it's probably better to wash it. It honestly doesn't take hardly any time to dry, and then you're safe with your project. Okay. Any other questions, girls? Let's see. Hi, Cheryl. Hi, Janetta. Hi, Becky. Oh, the other thing I was going to say was that we've changed our designer kits out for a Valentine's theme, and it's good. It will be good until the end of January, and it actually has 2 extra transfers in it. Sorry, it actually has 2 extra transfers in it, and so you kind of get a better value than what I even got. So it comes with like 5. The designer kit comes with like 5 pastes, the 3-ounce paste. I think it's 7 transfers. You know, your apron, different tools. So if you're interested in that, just type in join, and I can just send you a link so you can learn more about it. You girls, if you know any crafty DIY girls that love to watch people make crafts, just please invite them to the VIP group. If you are part of Christy's party that we're hosting, we changed it to a Facebook Live event, so you get to stay home in your PJs. But you guys, if you're interested in a party, just let me know, and we can do kind of the same format. Even if you want to join Christy's party just to kind of see what the format is, so that you feel more comfortable about doing a party yourself, feel free. Just let me know, and I'll be sure to add you guys. So thanks for joining, and if you have questions, let me know. Thanks. Bye.